Well, hello, my loves. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Feel at home. This is a space full of healing, abundance, and happiness. So, you know the vibe. Today, I brought my microphone. If you know, you know. Yeah, whenever you see this, it's about to be a vocal tribute, one of those I love. So yeah, today we are gonna be singing songs that get you through those ruts, those tough times, songs that get you through depression, anxiety. These are two of my favorite such songs. I have a whole playlist, so if you want more, you can always get more. But let's get straight into it for now. Number one, To Cheer You Up, Honey, is a song by Gokey. It's called Tell Your Heart to Beat Again. You ready? Because I am. Okay, let's go. You're shattered like you've never been before. The life you knew in 1,000 pieces on the floor, and words fall short in times like this, when this world drives you to your knees. You think you're never gonna get back to the you that you used to be. Tell your heart to beat again. Close your eyes and breathe it in. Let the shadows fall away. Step into the light of grace. Yesterday is a closing door. You don't live there anymore. Say goodbye to where you've been and tell your heart to beat again. Beginning, just let that word wash over you. It's alright now. Love's healing hands have pulled you through. So get back up and take step one. Leave the darkness, feel the sun. 'Cause your story's far from over, and your journey's just begun. Tell your heart to beat again. Close your eyes and breathe it in. Let the shadows fall away. Step into the light of grace. Yesterday's a closing door. You don't live there anymore. Say goodbye to where you've been and tell your heart to beat again. Let every heart break and every scar be a picture that reminds you who has carried you this far. 'Cause love sees farther than you ever could. In this moment, heaven's working everything for your good. Tell your heart to beat again. Close your eyes and breathe it in. Let the shadows fall away. Step into the light of grace. Yesterday's a closing door. You don't live there anymore. Say goodbye to where you've been and tell your heart to beat again. Come on, tell me, how does that make you feel, huh? When you hear those words, tell your heart to beat again. Yesterday is a closing door. I know it brings you hope. And the main reason why I am doing this video is because I have been at those moments in my life where it feels like things are completely hopeless and it's like I could just give up, you know. You feel a lot of sadness, a lot of fear, a lot of anger. You feel unloved sometimes. And even though these things may not be logically true, they are happening within you, and that means they desire validation. Let this next song bless you even more. I love this song. It's by Tauren, Wells, and H.E.R, if that's how you pronounce her name. H.E.R. It's amazing. I love the passion behind their voices. It's the best thing. So enjoy. I will trust in you and know that you are with me forever. I confide in you, 'cause you're the only answer that matters. And even in the darkness, you will be my light. And even when I'm hopeless, you will be my guide. So I will not be shaken, I will not be moved, 'cause even in the chaos, I know that you're good. You're the keeper, protector. It is you that holds us together when everything else fails us. It is you that holds us together. I will trust in you, your thoughts and plans of me, they are good, and I will wait on you. I know that you will see me through, and even in the darkness, you will be my light. And even when I'm hopeless, you will be my guide. So I will not be shaken, I will not be moved, 'cause even in the chaos, I know that you're good. You're the keeper, protector. It is you that holds us together when everything else fails us. It is you that holds us together. You're the keeper, protector. It is you that holds us together when everything else fails us. It is you that holds us together. Oh, that song makes me feel amazing, that despite the chaos, God always holds us together. So obviously, if you're watching this video, you're probably at a low moment, and believe me, for me to be seated here, it means I have also had such moments. These two songs I have just played right now, I have played them with tears in my eyes. And I know what it feels like. I know what it means to just hold on to the one hope that is God, that is love, that is source. So I pray that energy upon you once again. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like such videos, comment down below. I am down because I'm very lyrical. You know, music makes my soul dance. Music makes me feel angelic, and I love that. So anytime, anywhere, baby, I'm gonna perform. Okay, thank you so much once again. Have a blessed day, night, evening, whatever you're doing. May it be filled with blessings, love, laughter, and joy. Mwah! I love you. Bye.